Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to create and share temporary QR code on Emo. To begin, open Emo on your phone. Tap on your profile icon from the top left corner of the screen. A menu will open. At the top right corner you will see your QR code. Tap on it. This is your QR code. Below you will see the new update, temporary QR code. If you don't see this option, you need to update the app. Now tap on it. Emo will then generate a temporary QR code which will be valid for 1 day. You will see the expiration time of this code here. And also this is for one-time use, that means if someone use this code, no one will be able to use it for the second time. You can now copy this link and share to anyone through various social media app. To share this code to anyone on Emo, tap the share button and send the person you want to share. You can also download this code on your gallery to use it later. So in this way, you can create and share temporary QR code on Emo.